Hey, y'all students, welcome to my room. Today, we're going to be talking about fractional exponents. So, a fractional exponent is like a regular exponent, but it's a fraction. So, if you've got something like 3 raised to the power of 1/2, then that's actually the same as the square root of 3. 3 to the 1/3 equals the cube root of 3. You could probably generate or generalize this yourselves, but a raised to the 1/nth power is equal to the nth root of a. So, now that we've gotten the definition of fractional exponents kind of underway, let's do an example. How about 16 to the 5/4? This is the 4th root of 16 to the 5th power equals 2 to the 5th. So, whenever you do a fractional exponent, the numerator with the denominator like this, you just take that root of it. With the numerator, you just raise it to that power. It doesn't matter if you do it before or after you take the root, because, what's the word? Oh yeah, exponent laws mean that 3 to the 1/4 to the 5th is equal to 3 to the 5th to the 1/4, or with any other set of numbers and exponents, so long as you're not doing weird things where you do like the 3 to the 1/4 to the 5th, where you do like a weird power of exponents like that, because you can't exactly do that very well. But if you're taking a number, raising it to an exponent, and then following that up by raising that end result to another power, then because of the rules of exponent, that's equal to the product of those exponents. So you really are just able to do a to the b over n now becomes the nth root of a to the b, or the nth root of a to the b. Now that I've gone over all of these definitions, which by the way, you can pause the video or slow it down at any time to get a clearer picture if you're at any point confused by the things that I'm saying. That's the fortunate part about having this in a YouTube video. Now, what if we have a negative exponent? If we have a to the negative 1/2 is equal to 1 divided by a to 1/2 equals 1 over square root of a. In general, a to the negative b equals 1 over a to the b, no matter what b is. So now that we've done a little bit of work with fractional and negative exponents, let's do one last example of, let's try 16 again. 16 to the negative 4 over, not 5. I'm actually going to do 3/4 instead of 4/5 because it comes out cleaner. That is equal to 1 over 16 to the 3/4 equals 1 over 2 cubed equals 1/8. Notice one last thing is that a positive number raised to any power, even a negative power, can never equal a negative number. Well, the opposite is true. Opposite isn't true, my bad. You can raise -2 squared as long as that -2 is a quantity in parentheses, then you'll get +2, because -2 times -2 equals +2. But whenever you raise positive numbers to negative powers, you'll never get a negative number. I'm sure you remember this, at least some of you may, but the last rule I'm going to go over in this video is that a to the 0 equals 1 for any a, whether it's positive, negative, or even 0. So let that be trippy. 0 to the 0 equals 1. Have fun with that. Point is, those are some basics of exponents. Soon we're going to talk about their counterpart, logarithms. Have a great day, kids.